In this video, we'll cover how to fit Pronto luxury vinyl tiles. It's important to note before we begin that this video is for the 5GI click system of LVT. When installing Pronto LVT, it's essential to leave a 6mm expansion gap between the flooring and any walls or fixed furnishings. This allows the flooring to expand and contract with temperature changes. The gap can be maintained using suitable LVT expansion spacers. Begin by positioning the first plank or tile in the desired position at the edge of the room. Fit the remaining first row by positioning the short end of the planks or tiles with the previous, ensuring the front and back edges line up. Remember to maintain the 6mm expansion gap between the wall as you go. Use a rubber mallet to tap the joints to ensure the surface is flat and the joints are locked together. To avoid marking the tiles or planks, strike with the white side of the mallet. Continue this process until the row is complete. Now take a length measurement from the wall. This is for the offcut to start the next row. Note that its length must be a minimum of 40 centimeters. Place the long edge of the plank or tile into the long edge groove of the previous row at an angle and drop into place. Note the short edges should be lined up with the previous row. Continue by taking the next plank or tile, again dropping it into the groove of the previous row. Now slide the plank or tile along the groove so the short edge joints align. When the joints are lined up, fold the plank or tile in a downwards motion from the back to the front. Then using a rubber mallet, hammer along the joint to click and lock it into place. Lay the planks or tiles in a staggered pattern, making sure the short edge joints are offset by at least 20 centimeters. This helps maintain the stability of the joints across all completed rows. Repeat the previous steps for the next rows, making sure to maintain the required 6mm expansion joint, using spacers near any walls or fixed furnishings. Continue until the floor is complete.